Welcome to Dows and Clear, the video series that teaches you how to douse, how to find hidden blocks to your success, your high energy, your health, your well-being, your wealth, and kick them to the curb. Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Emotions Whisperer. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how our subconscious mind or our energy thinks that we need permission from other people or institutions in order to succeed. It could be to succeed in money, to succeed in love. We've all heard over the years about how some of us have fears that if we succeed and we earn more money or we're better educated than our parents or our siblings, they will reject it. It's a fear of rejection that we have, and we clear that out. I was taught when I was a child, you're no better than anyone else. Everyone is created equal in the eyes of God, and so be it. That's probably true, but my subconscious mind took it a step further to say, you can't do better than anyone else. It's not right. It's a sin. It's a crime. Whatever you want to call it. You have no permission for that. So I started dowsing on myself today and looking for things that I didn't have permission for. And let's just do a quick clearing right now for everyone who's watching this video. We're just going to clear out by clearing our governing vessel meridian by doing this, or tapping here, releasing these fears that we'll be rejected, abandoned, we're committing crimes, we're sinning, we're breaking family rules, laws, beliefs. If we don't have permission from someone in particular, usually parents, siblings, aunts, uncles, grandparents, to earn more money than anyone in the family. Just clearing that out now. Now, if you can douse, what you want to do is douse for specific family members. So I'm just going to say, I believe that I have permission to earn more money than my father ever earned in his lifetime. I have permission to earn more money than my mother ever earned in her lifetime. Now, this is a yes answer. This is a no answer when I douse. So I got no's. Let me just rephrase it here. I have permission to earn more than my father did, than my mother did. Now, see, I got yeses for that I have permission, but not specifically what they earned in their entire lifetimes. So let's clear that out. And sometimes the subconscious mind could be so sneaky that you have to be this specific, really hone down to specific wording. That's why it's so important to compose your dowsing questions as specifically as possible. So we'll just clear that out, and you probably want to follow along. You more than likely have the exact same block as I do. I now release these fears that I don't have permission to earn more money than my father did in his entire life. I release my fear that I don't have permission to earn more money than my mother did in her entire life. So be it. Whew, I just felt a whole lot of energy moving. So we'll double check. I have permission to earn more money than my father did in his entire life, than my mother did in her entire life. I have permission, desire, the way is open for me. I have permission to earn more money than the combined total income of their entire lives of my father and my mother. No. See? Got to keep clearing. I clear out this fear and this belief, this ancestral block that I need permission from my father and my mother or anyone, anything, including God or the universe or religion or grandparents, parents. I clear out this belief that I do not have permission and therefore must not ever earn more than the combined income of both of my parents in their entire lifetimes. I let that go now. Whew. Man, it feels like my entire torso is just coming alive, and all these old energies and these blocks are dispersing right now. So we'll double check. I have permission to earn more money than the combined incomes of the lifetimes of my father and my mother. How about same thing for my brother, my sister, grandparents, parents? All right, aunts, uncles. The combined income of every one of all the ancestors Colleen Flanagan, we have permission to earn more money than that in this lifetime. Woohoo! So, If you have any money blocks or blocks of any kind, you can formulate your questions similarly to what I just did, and just let that money flow in, baby, because you deserve it. And when we earn more money, it's not sinful, it's not bad to be wealthy, only if you're greedy and you hoard it. I shouldn't be judging that either. But the more money you earn, the more you can help others in your family, in your community, the more money you're going to spend, and that helps stores in your community, right? Buying new cars, a new home, all this stuff helps people in your community. You can also give a lot more money to charity if you're earning more. So earning money is a good thing. And keep a little cushion in case there's some crazy times going on, right? So thank you so much for watching this. If you want to check out more fascinating Dowsing Clear videos and information of holistic healing and well-being, check out my website, emorescue.com. Feel free to contact me through the website. I love talking with by email with people all over the world who have questions or concerns, and see what I can do to help them. Also, I have 8 books on Amazon that are available from $2.99 to $4.99, and people have really enjoyed them, and they helped a lot of people. I get a lot of email on them, and they can help you too. So thank you again for watching. Peace out. Namaste. Bye for now.